Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into a Sunshine Academy video where I show you how to on how I do different parts of my makeup. Today it's a very simple and quick video where we get into how to make the lashes when you apply false lashes look a little bit more nice. So let's get into the how to on how I do false lashes enhancement. So this is the process where I would do this sort of step or technique. Whenever you are adding false lashes, sometimes the shimmer can transfer onto the top or back of the lashes, or the lash line is sort of crooked the way it dries, or different things happen. So what I like to do is take a liner. This is the Benefit Cosmetics roller liner. So what I would do is I take a little cushion. This is at your own discretion in how you will apply it. Slide this on the lash line. I'm not giving myself a wing, but I am cleaning up that area. So that's all you have to do. You can just hold this area and close your eye. You can place liner right on top of the lashes, or you can place liner even above that. So you can make it a thicker band or a thinner band. You don't have to add a wing to this. And what it does is it just creates a little extra thickness to the lash band or lash line. And it just gives an extra oomph and cleaner appearance. So this is probably the shortest Sunshine Academy video yet. And I hope you enjoyed how to and how I do my enhancing of the false lashes. I just thought this would be a good kind of quick tip to share with you if you are interested. If you did like this video, make sure of course to like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine. I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching Sunshine Academy. Bye! Bye now.